You're about to watch the Pauly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, Pauly here with a frozen pizza review. I swore I was never going to do another frozen pizza review ever again. But the little lady and I went into the family dollar store, and this is what I saw in the freezer section. $1.50, not too bad. So I got it. What is it? It is the Chestnut Hill combination pizza, microwavable. Chestnut Hill sounds like a place where soldiers die.
Yeah, this is a microwavable, which I don't really care for. It's a sausage pepperoni combo, which means it has a bunch of stuff on there. Yeah, once again, no microwaving for the Detmers. And there's a little bit of the nutritional facts, and let's take a look at the ingredients. Man, that looks like an encyclopedia full of ingredients. And yes, there is bioengineered food ingredients. Yeah, I cooked this at 375 for 19 minutes. It called for 18 to 20 minutes. Chestnut Hill combination frozen pizza.
Here it is. Yeah. Looking at those ingredients, I did not see any bug matter. Oh, you think it's funny? Yes, they are putting bugs in your food. It's all part of the New World Order, folks. That's what they want to do. They want to kill us all. All right, let's give it a try. Underneath, you get to see it first. Not too bad. Top looks like a frozen pizza. For it is. Okay, here we go. I'm not cutting it, I'm just going to bite into it.
You're watching the Pauly Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
It does have that standard frozen pizza matter about it. It's got this kind of like creaminess about it. Not in a good way either. For $1.50, not too bad. Those, all you fans of the Totinos or whatever it is, and that has a great following. I cannot believe how much of a following that brand has. You will like this. You would actually love it. Me, I like real pizza. I'm doing this just for you, the best subscribers on YouTube. But on the Pauly Detmer's pepperoni pizza score rating, which is 0 to 5, 0 being the worst, 5 being the best, I will give this Chestnut Hill frozen pizza, I'll give it a 1. I'm giving it a 1 as being very nice. Coming up, I'm going to be making some real pizza again, and that pizza oven will be zeroed in. I better get going.